Hi there, it's Faye, and I just got this package from Michael O'Brien from his brand called Pause, Breathe, and Reflect. I'm so excited. I believe there's a t-shirt inside, but before I open the box, I just want to show you what it looks like. And first of all, it has these awesome prints of Pause, Breathe, Reflect on top. There's even a little sticker. So you've absolutely nailed it, Michael. Good work. I'm gonna open it. Look at that. Okay, I have. Whoa. Enjoy, Faye. There's a little sticker that I got heart on, which I will because I'm already a follower of the Pause, Breathe, Reflect app. It's wonderful and has very high review ratings. I highly recommend it to anybody who's getting started with meditation as well as regular practitioners. This app is absolutely developed and built with love from Michael O'Brien, and it is so intimate, and it sends you daily reminders. You can actually set the notification so you're reminded wherever you have a moment to pause, breathe, and reflect on a daily basis. And it just feels very intimate and absolutely not corporate. I'm going to show you what the app looks like, and it's so well done. I'm really very impressed. On top of that, there's a little booklet, and this is my last bad day shift and how to prevent bad moments from turning into bad days. So I actually have this. I've purchased this previously. Currently having a bad day or a challenging a few months, or maybe 2023 hasn't really been the easiest year for you. You really enjoy this. I will link the products below. But most importantly, my goodness, look at this shirt. It's inside out. Slow is fast. This is my size. It's inside out, and check it out. Look at the details. There's a message worn inside. I like that. I've always liked watches that have details on the inside, and also even jeans. I used to buy jeans that says, "You are awesome." And let's see. I'm not going to read the whole thing to you, but just to give you a sense. Your bike is fine. Focus on you. Try just to breathe. I was fighting for my life after being hit by a speeding SUV going 40 miles per hour during a bike ride when my EMT told me to focus on my breath. Who's in your Peloton? This makes me think about a recent interview with Michael Bungay-Stanier about the best possible relationship as well, to think about and appreciate those people in my life. I should probably be recording this video using this shirt, but it's never too late to put it on. I love how soft the shirt is as well. Oh, look at this. Slightly different design. Ripple kindness. It's so true. I think about the people I feel so thankful for having in my life, all those teachers, and even my recent conversation. Let me just put this on, actually. Oh, look at that. Fits so well. I wouldn't be wearing the dress inside, but look at that. Ooh, I'm so excited. So even I was thinking about a recent conversation I had with Sean McDonald, a colleague and a friend from New Zealand. I went live stream. I live streamed with him yesterday, which I'm going to include a link below as well. By the way, I love these daily reflections. And I remember that when I first met Sean through YouTube, who hired me to basically coach him how to run effective, engaging Zoom webinars. This was 2.5 years ago. And 2.5 years later, his company, Board Pro, generates 40% of their revenue, over $2 million total revenue, because of these ongoing webinars that Sean has been running on a weekly basis, talking to experts, providing value without ever talking about their product or trying to make a sale. And yet it's converting people. So a message there. But I also think I'm so appreciative just thinking about Sean is because just through the internet, from YouTube, he's able to refer so many friends, colleagues, even clients to me. And I'm just so appreciative. So that's what I think about when I see the message, ripple kindness. And thank you so much, Michael O'Brien, for creating this space, this community, this message for us to remember. Check out the app, the brand, Pause, Breathe, Reflect, all the wonderful message, Michael's book, and everything he has in store. And I'll see you next time. Bye.